Hi everyone, today we're going to learn about how to use PowerHub's new community solar invoicing and community solar subscriber management tools to better manage your community solar projects within PowerHub. So first thing we want to look at is actually our projects module, which is going to show us lots of handy information about our projects that are stored within PowerHub. So let's filter for just our community solar projects, which we're going to do from a pre-set up group for community solar. So basically we have this one project called Greenfield Community Solar, and we've got all kinds of handy information here, general, technical, O&M, EPC, financial information, all stored here within this projects module. But today we're going to focus on the off-takers because that's critical for the billing and subscriber management. So we can see for this project, we've actually got a community solar invoicing configuration already set up, and we can actually go into this next screen here to manage the off-takers that are part of this community solar project. So let's hit manage and see what we can do. So we have residential off-takers of this community solar project all listed here. We've got about 200 of them, and we can manage them from this screen. So let's take an example here, Kimberly Garcia. We can see her customer ID, her utility account number, and actually from this screen we can add new off-takers, we can remove off-takers, and we can import large lists of off-takers all at once, and also export them too, which is very handy. So let's migrate away from this screen now that we've seen the subscriber management tools and go into the invoicing side. So we're going to go over to our invoices module, and what we see here essentially from some pre-filtered list is our Greenfield Community Solar invoices that have been generated for this project, but not actually sent out to our off-takers just yet. So what we want to do is essentially send out all of these invoices to our off-takers once we're happy with what they look like. So let's go in and actually take a quick look at a couple of these invoices, or just one for this case, and see if we're happy. So we look at Kimberly Garcia's invoice again for Greenfield Community Solar. We can see all kinds of handy information about what's been auto-generated for this invoice. And ultimately we want to see, the invoice that's being attached to Kimberly Garcia's email. Are we happy with the way that that looks? So let's hit download here and we can see that invoice. So this is Kimberly Garcia's invoice. This invoice could be customized however you want it in terms of logos, fonts, colors, additional line items. We can handle all of that within PowerHub. But for this example, we've just got this one line item here. And if we're happy with everything that we see and we say Kimberly's going to be good with this invoice, we migrate back to this other screen and we go to our list of invoices for community solar billing and for Greenfield Community Solar. And if we have done a few other checks, we might go ahead and send all of these invoices out to each off-taker all at once. So we can select all these invoices for this project, and we can go ahead and hit issue invoices, and away they go to each individual off-taker. We can actually export all the information from this screen using Excel, and we can also use PowerHub's RESTful API to export information here too. So that's basically it for a brief overview of PowerHub's new community solar invoicing tools. So today we've learned about how to generate community solar invoices in an automated way within PowerHub. We've learned how to review those invoices and issue them, and also manage subscribers for our community solar projects. Thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to request a demo, please contact us.